Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you what my tablet screen would look like when I read a QR code. So again, one important thing is that your tablet has to have the app installed. It doesn't have to be the app that I'm using. There's a lot of different free apps, but we downloaded the QR Android Private, I think it's called. But again, so your QR code reader might look a little different, but students would have to go and open the app. So I'm going to go to my apps and find my QR code reader. So in my top row, if you notice, I have a QR Droid Private. That's the app that we're using. So I'm going to open the app. And if you notice, as soon as my app is opened, my camera is turned on. So basically, the students would then point the camera to the QR code, which I have pulled up on my phone. In your classroom, you can print it or display it on the board. It's completely up to you. So this shows up. So it read the URL, and I can click on it, and it opened my PDF in a Chrome browser. So if I go back to my Chrome browser, I will see the PDF of the Algebra 1 notes that I shared with my students. If you remember, if you watched the video where I showed how to create a QR code, when I created this link, I said that anybody with a link can actually open the document. So if you notice, in the upper right corner, it says sign in. So the student does not have to be signed in to their Google account in order to access this file. Again, it really depends on what is it that you're sharing with them. You might want them to sign in. Our tablets are being shared between different students, so if I can avoid them having to sign in, I am going to do that, just because then they don't have to remember to sign out. But that's pretty much it. So that's how it would look like using a QR code reader on a tablet.